Welcome back guys to another AliExpress product unboxing episode of this YouTube channel. Hope you all are well. Guys, today morning I got this product from AliExpress. I don't know what is inside this packet, but I think it's a iPhone cable. So let's start the video and see what is inside this packet. So guys, first I like to cut this packet. Okay, here you can see inside nothing. Here you can see the iPhone cable. This is not original iPhone cable, but this is look like almost original iPhone cable. Here is my original iPhone cable. So if I compare with this one to original one, so it's almost same. And if I show USB port, this one little bit dark than this one. It's almost same. I like to cut this out. So this is a really large iPhone cable. This is really large iPhone cable. The length of this cable is 2 meters, so it's really a large iPhone cable. But this one is original. This one is old. That's why the color is really not white. This one is almost same. Cable quality also good. So now I like to test this cable work or not. So I'm using my original iPhone adapter. So I'm connecting this one with my adapter. So now I'm going to connect this cable with my iPhone 6s Plus. So I'm going to connect. Okay, here you can see it's charging. Okay, other side. Okay, it's worked perfectly. So friends, now I like to test this cable with my laptop to know am I able to transfer data with this cable or not. So I'm connecting this cable with my laptop USB. Okay, here you can see connecting notification. So if I go to my computer, here you can see Apple icon is showing. So here is my storage. I need to allow for access my photo. So I'm going to allow. I need to go to again Apple storage, TMC, and here is my all files. Here you can see. So it's worked perfectly as a data transfer cable. Now friends, I like to test this cable is a fast charging cable or not. So I'm going to connect this cable with my original iPhone charging adapter. So I'm going to charge my phone now, and here you can see it's charging. Now it's 35%. So I'm going to turn on stopwatch. So it's now 35%. Now here you can see it's almost 10 minutes is gone, and it's 46%. So 10 minutes it give me 10%, almost this is a 10%, 11%. So I think this is a fast charging cable because this is a give me a 10% charge in 10 minutes. So this is almost near original iPhone cable. So this cable is really good. I am really happy with this cable. So if you want to purchase this cable, you will find this cable purchase link in this video description, and you can buy also 3-meter cable. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you are, then click on the like button. If you like to get more upcoming video of this channel, then please click on the subscribe button with the bell icon so that you can get quick notification when I upload new unboxing videos on this channel. If you have any question, then please comment below. I will try my best to give you a comment reply. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe and be happy. See you in the next video.